Good afternoon, folks. Today is Thursday, July 1st, 2021. Current time is 4:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We got mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies with 86 degrees. Yes, folks, we got a CFE train coming. I just heard on my radio just about a few seconds ago. He said 313 axles and he's going only a speed nearly 35 miles per hour. This could be an eastbound CFE train. That probably means this is a proceeding route to Adams to Cole. Oh, I hear him. This is... Yeah, that's him. I'm at Jefferson Street Railroad Crossing here at milepost 287.5. This is going to be a CFE train. This is going to be an eastbound. He's going to head to Lima. He's coming all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. He's probably got the signal ready for the S straight diamond here in town. Folks, just keep going. You don't have to look at me when I'm doing this, okay? Just keep going. He's coming, folks. He's coming. Got a CFE train coming. Oh, we got the signals for Shannon and Wall Street. Milepost 287.6 and 287.7. Yes, folks, we got a CFE train coming. There he is. Look, there he is. There he is. Oh, there goes the signals for Jefferson Street Railroad Crossing and Washington Street Railroad Crossing. Here he comes, folks. Here he comes. There he goes, folks. He's on his way to Lima. I'm at Jefferson Street Railroad Crossing here at milepost 287.5. This is a CFE mixed freight train. Actually, this is a steel train, so this is a CFE mixed freight train. He's on his way to Lima. He must have came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. On this train here, he said 313 axles at a speed of nearly 35 miles per hour, proceeding to Adams to Cole, from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. Yeah, this is a mixed freight steel train. The units are 2095 leading a 2135. .313 axles at a speed of 35 miles per hour. Proceed to Adams to Cole here on the main line here to Lima. That probably means he's got a signal ready for Cole Street signal, which is in Lima. at the Cole Street signal, which is located in Lima by milepost 261.8 here on the CFE main line. Yes, he's got another 26 miles to Lima. Oh, there's the last car. Yep, there's the last car, man. There he goes. He's on his way to Lima. I'm at Railroad Crossing, Jefferson Street Railroad Crossing here at milepost 287.5. This has been a CFE mixed freight steel train. He's on his way to Lima. He must have came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yep, since he's on his way to Lima, that probably means he's headed to Lima, heading for the Cole Street signal, which is in Lima, which is near milepost 261.8 here on the main line here, which is under a grain elevator, which is by Cole Street Railroad Crossing in Lima, which is near west of Lima. He's probably already passed milepost 287 already. Yep, he already came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. Well, folks, I hope you're all enjoying that CFE train, and I'll see if I get more soon, okay? Hope you all subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and give it a comment what you think about the trains here on the main line here. I just want to let you all know it's about 3 days until Independence Day, so hope you all wish me a happy birthday, and all for the ones that have 4th of July birthdays, hope you all have a happy 4th of July birthday too. Since America is going to be 245 this year, so hope you all have a happy 4th of July for this following weekend. All right, well, you all have a good day, and you make sure you all stay cool out here. It's a little warm today. It's 78 degrees with, actually no, it's 81 degrees with clouds and sun. All right, well, he's on his way to Lima. He must have came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. All right, well, you all have a good day. All stay cool out here, and you all have yourself a happy 4th of July or Independence Day this weekend. We'll be enjoying the fireworks wherever you're at here in the United States. Happy 4th of July, America. Happy birthday for all the ones for this following 4th of July. All right, well, you all have a good day. All right, thank you. Oh, make sure you all subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and give it a comment what you think about the trains here on the main line. All right, well, you all have a good day. All right, thank you. All right, bye.